Have you ever met someone who seems to eat whatever they want? Pizza, chocolate, ice creams, large portions, and somehow they never gain weight? Meanwhile, another person feels like they're getting weight just by looking at a piece of cake. So, what's really happening, or are they really lucky? Do they have a magical metabolism? Or is there more to the story? So, today we are uncovering the science and Ayurvedic wisdom behind why some people seem naturally slim. Let's start with the biggest myth. Some people can eat absolutely anything without consequences. In reality, that's usually not true. What often looks like a fast metabolism is actually a combination of many small factors, and most of them happen without people even realizing it. Reason 1: they move more than they think. One of the biggest differences is something scientists call NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Sounds complicated, but it's simple. It is the energy you burn doing everyday activities: walking, standing, cleaning, fidgeting, taking stairs, and moving around. Interesting fact is, some naturally slim people burn hundreds of extra calories daily just through unconscious movements. They may not exercise more, they just simply move more. Reason 2: appetite is different for everyone. No one experiences hunger the same way. Some people naturally feel full faster. Others may forget meals because they're busy. Some people hungry every few hours. Others don't. This means two people eating together may naturally consume very different amounts of foods. Reason number 3: genetics play a role. Yes, genetics matter. Genes can influence appetite, fat storage, metabolism, and body shape. But genetics are not the full story. The lifestyle still matters. Think of genes as the starting point, not the final destination. Ayurveda recognized body differences thousands of years ago. One body type often associated with the lean body frame is Vata Dosha. People with strong Vata Dosha may be naturally slim, have smaller frames, find it difficult to gain weight, burn energy quickly, and have active minds. But Ayurveda also notes that these individuals may experience dry skin, cold hands and feet, irregular appetite, and light sleep. So, being naturally thin doesn't automatically mean perfect health. Reason number 4: the gut microbiome. This is one of the most exciting parts of modern science. Trillions of bacteria live inside the digestive system. Researchers are discovering that these microbiomes influence digestion, metabolism, appetite, and energy extraction from food. Scientists are still learning exactly how this works. But it appears our gut bacteria plays a bigger role in body weight than previously thought. Ayurveda always emphasizes digestion. The concept of Agni refers to this digestive strength. According to Ayurveda, the strong digestion can help the body properly process and utilize food. The goal is not something simply eating more. The goal is digesting efficiently. Reason number 5: they don't always eat as much as you think. This surprises many people. You may see someone eat a large portion, but you can't see the rest of their day. Maybe they skipped breakfast, they eat smaller dinners, or they snack less. People often remember the bigger meal and forget the overall pattern. Here's something important: being thin is not always the same as being healthy. A person can be slim but still have poor sleep, nutritional deficiencies, low fitness, and high stress. True health is much more than body weight. So, why do some people never gain weight? The answer is usually not one magical reason. It's a combination of movements, appetite, genetics, digestion, and lifestyle habits. And perhaps the most important lesson is health is not measured by weight alone. The healthiest goal is not becoming someone else's body, it's creating the healthiest version of your own. Do you find easy to gain weight or difficult to gain weight? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoy Wellness Explained both through Ayurveda and modern science, you're always welcome here. And don't forget to subscribe and join to our wellness community.